Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial with Ryan and on behalf of Cloud Concept. Today's tutorial we're going to be talking about board templates. In one of the previous videos we talked about board types, and now we're going to talk about templates. So this is essentially useful for when you want to start off with a new template, a new board, but you don't really know where to start off and you don't want to build anything from scratch. This is how you can use the template center to essentially help you. So we're in a HR workspace. We're going to use that as an example. Now when you click on the plus icon here, add an item to your workspace, you can go to the board here, you click on the arrow here and you go to start template. You can also find the template center under more, and you can go to template center here. As I mentioned, start with a template. Now from here you have a whole category of general templates that you can use, and if you scroll down you can find the HR templates here. Now for example, we want to start off or try to understand build a recruitment pipeline or even an employee directory. Everything can be done over here using these template centers. Let's, for hypothetically, say we want to build a employee well-being survey. So we click on this. This will give us an overview of what this template is, and we can then say, okay, this is what we're going to have, and here are the integrations that this template would work with if you have any others there. Now if you click use template, it will go ahead and start doing that, but you can also click on this arrow to use this template in another workspace, which you can find over here. So I'm just going to use this template here, and in a few minutes the template should be ready and you will find it over here as well. Now you can go ahead and rename your template. You can change the description, and you can see the different types of views that you have here. So for example, in this specific template, it's mainly a feedback survey, so you're gonna have a form here with all the relevant answers and questions, and likewise it all fits in to one line here. And that's a short tutorial on board templates. If you have any questions and want to get in touch with us for a consultation, please follow the link in the description below, and have a great day. Thanks.